Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a 4th of July Pikachu surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Pikachu 4th of July surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to take my paper, line up the corners, and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, and I'll give it another nice fold so that it kind of looks like a bookmark. When I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we want to make a circle in the middle of our paper. And I'm just going to go ahead and trace the small paint palette that I have. You can always just draw this without tracing something. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a nice big sad face on top. And then at the bottom, I'm going to make a nice big smiley face shape. And that'll give me my circle for my Pokeball. The next what I want to do is let's make a small sad face right in the middle. And then we'll make a small happy face right underneath it. Next, let's draw a straight line over to here. And we're going to stop before we touch our little circle. We'll go up and down above it. And then we'll just continue our line here. We'll do the same thing here. Let's just go straight across. This time we'll go down and up. And then we'll just bring this over to here. Now, we want to make this kind of like a 4th of July Pokeball. So the first thing I'm going to do is right in the middle here, let's go ahead and draw a line that comes straight up. Then starting here, I'll make a line. I'll make one here, and then one right over here on the edge. Let's do the same thing on this side. Let's go straight up. Let's make one right here. And then let's make a small one right here. Now down here I want to make a few stars, and stars are really easy to make. So the first way to start with our little star is let's just make a little triangle that doesn't have a bottom. Let's make two lines that come out on each side. Then we'll make two little lines that come in at a diagonal. Now right here, I'm going to go out at a diagonal and then out at a diagonal here. Then I want to make this go up and then down here for my little star. Then I'm going to do that same thing over here. I'm going to start with my little triangle. And you can see I went higher than I did this star. We'll make our two lines that come out, our two lines that come in, these two lines that come out at a diagonal, and then our little up and down right there. And then we'll put one more over here. So we'll just do that triangle, two lines out, two lines in, two lines out again, and then a line that goes up and down. Now our next step is going to be to open this up and we're going to draw the inside. Now once we have this opened up, we have two halves of our Pokeball. So the first thing we want to do is let's just draw a line that comes down here, and then a line that's going to come down here. And then let's just go ahead and draw a line right across here to connect it. Then I'm going to draw a line down here and a line down here. Next, I'll draw a line that's going to come up and then a line that's going to come up. And we'll make a straight line right across here. Then I'm going to draw a line up and a line up. Now let's make Pikachu on the inside. So the first thing is let's draw his hat. So let's go ahead and start by drawing a line that's just going to curve right across here. Then right here I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then I'm going to curve it in. And then same thing here, we just kind of come out, and then we curve it into here. Next I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to go around here and then bring it back. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, around here, and then down. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to curve it across here and then come down. And then I'm going to make a little curved line here. Now let's draw his ears. Let's begin by making a line that's going to come out to a point and then down. And then same thing here, out to a point and then down. Let's curve a line here and curve a line here for the little stripes. Next, starting here, let's draw a line that comes out, and we'll make another line that comes out here for the arms. I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 little bumps, and we'll do the same thing here. 1, 2, and 3 little bumps. Curve a line down, and curve a line down. Bring a line down here, and a line down here for the body. Next, I'm going to make a little bump on the inside of each hand for like a thumb. And then I'm going to start by making a line that's going to come down to the thumb. I'm going to jump over it and bring it down here. Same thing here. I'm going to draw a line down to the thumb and then jump over it. Then I'm going to make some little lines that come out of here so it kind of looks like Pikachu is holding like a sparkler. And I'll do the same thing here. We'll make little lines coming out of here so it looks like he's holding a sparkler. Now let's work on the face. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a circle for the cheek. And then I'll do the same thing here, a circle for the cheek. Next I'm going to make a circle right here and then a circle right here for the eyes. Then I'm going to make a smaller circle inside each one. Then I'm going to color this in. Now for the nose, let's just go ahead and make like a little tiny triangle. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up, and then down and up for the mouth. We'll make a line that's going to come down and up, and then a little curved line for the tongue. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down, up and down, up, and then down. I'll make another one that's going to come up and down, up and down, up and down, and I'm going to connect it. And there you go. There is your drawing of a 4th of July Pikachu surprise fold. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.